Hey everyone, welcome back. Just like the title of this video says, I have some 5-minute easy Easter DIYs that you can use to decorate your house on a budget and quickly. If you're new here, welcome, and make sure to stick around by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications so you never miss out on a new video. All right, now let's get into all these DIYs. For this DIY, I was inspired by a bigger arrangement that I've seen on TikTok and Pinterest and all kinds of places where they take a glass vase and they fill it with Peeps, and then they put another glass vase in between the Peeps and the other glass vase, and then they fill it with real flowers. Well, I wanted to do it from Dollar Tree materials, so it's going to be on a little smaller of a scale. That's why I'm using the clear trifle bowl from Dollar Tree, and then I took 3 packs of the yellow Peeps from Dollar Tree. You don't have to break them apart or anything. They come in a set of 4, so I just placed them around the inside of the bowl up against the outer edge, and then I placed some floral foam in the middle to hold my flowers, and on top of that I put some jelly beans from Dollar Tree, so that way I would just cover it up and you wouldn't be able to see the floral foam at all. And then I took 2 bunches of roses from Dollar Tree and I cut them down and just placed them in the styrofoam. I think this turned out really adorable. I placed it on top of a little bunny tray that I got from Target last year. It's super cute to set out and super easy and affordable for some Easter decor this year. I really wanted to decorate these Easter trees Dollar Tree had out this year. They are super pretty, so I got 2 of them, and I'm just going to remove the stand off one of them, and then I'm going to pull apart the branches to one side on each of those trees. Then I took a zip tie and I zip tied the bottom of the tree together, and then I zip tied it in the middle of the tree. I only have black zip ties, but obviously clear zip ties would have been a lot better, or white zip ties. So if you're doing this, use that instead of the black. But I was able to kind of mask it and hide it in the end. And then I pulled apart the tree and fluffed it out so it looked nice and full. Then I got some of these cute little bunny feet from Dollar Tree, and I just cut the tags off of them. And then the sticks that the bunny feet are on, they are like a wire and they're pliable. So I went ahead and I put that stick through the 2 trees that were held together with the zip ties to kind of hold the legs together at the bottom of the tree. And then I flipped the tree over and wrapped those sticks around the tree to kind of make it secure. And then I did use a little bit of hot glue in the end on the back there and the front, just to make sure that those legs stayed in place and they didn't move around on me. And then I cut the excess wire with some wire cutters. I made sure I fluffed the tree again and the legs were straight before I glued the legs down. And then I took this headband, this bunny ear headband from Dollar Tree for the topper, and I just cut off the ears. They were really easy to cut off with just scissors, and then I hot glued that to the top of the tree. And then of course it's not a bunny without a little cotton tail, so I hot glued one of those little cotton tails from Dollar Tree to the back of the tree. And then I added some of these battery operated egg lights from Dollar Tree. I actually added 2 packs of those, and then I took the tree stand off of the bottom there because I'm going to use this little container and some iridescent shred, and that way I can hide the battery pack inside of that container with the iridescent shred, and that kind of matches the whole vibe of this. I think it turned out really cute and easy to display for Easter. This cute carrot wreath is perfect for your front door for Easter. It's easy and affordable to make. I just took one of these carrot wreath forms from Dollar Tree and some of this orange burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree as well. I took the end of the ribbon and I placed that underneath my bottom of my carrot, and then I added a little bit of hot glue to the ribbon to secure it down. And then I just started wrapping the ribbon up the carrot. And I used a little bit of hot glue to secure each one of the strands until I got about halfway up the carrot. And then once I got about halfway up the carrot, I just kept wrapping without using the hot glue until I got to the end of the carrot, and then I used some more hot glue to secure that piece of ribbon down. Some of the carrot wreath form was still showing at the top there, so I did use another pack of the burlap ribbon just to cover up that top piece. I just wrapped it around and hot glued it down just so that way it wouldn't show when I was all finished with this. Since I didn't hot glue some of that ribbon down, I was able to kind of just play around with it and manipulate it and move it around to make sure that all of the wire was covered up and it looked nice. And then for the top of the carrot, I used 4 bunches of these ferns that I got from Dollar Tree. I just shoved them in between the burlap down in the carrot, and it covered up that top part. I think it looks really adorable, and it is perfect for Easter for your front door. Again, it's really easy and affordable to make this, and it is just super cute. Dollar Tree has a ton of these candles, and they have a bunch in Easter colors like this pink, this teal, and white. They even have yellow and purple. I just picked up 3 of the candles, and the colored ones are wrapped in plastic. So I just used my little X-Acto knife and cut the plastic and then was able to get them off. It does leave a little bit of residue on one side where it was glued, but I'll come back to those later. And then the white one, I couldn't get the sticker off by itself, so I had the help of my blow dryer or heat gun would work, and it came right off. And then I had some spray Goo Gone, and I just sprayed them with that to get the sticker residue off. And then I'm just gonna dress up these candles a little bit with some of these Easter beads and these bunnies, and I just got some twine from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to start off by tying the twine onto the top of one of the candles, leaving a long piece dangling down. I just double knotted it to make sure that it stayed, and then I cut off the piece of twine that is still attached to the spool of twine. So leave that long piece dangling down, and then I did use a little bit of hot glue on that knot that I tied just to make sure that it was super secure and it didn't come untied. And then I took some of the beads and I placed them on the twine. I didn't use the green beads because I don't know, they just didn't give off an Easter vibe to me. So I used all the other colors, but not the green ones. Then I attached the little Easter bunny to the bottom of the beads and the twine and tied that and just added a little bit of dab of hot glue like I did on the top there where it was tied off at, just to make sure the bunny stayed. And I did all 3 this way. I just changed up the pattern of the beads. And you can paint your bunnies or stain your bunnies. I just chose to leave mine the way they are. And I just think that these dress up the candles, make them a little more Eastery, and you can always take them off and use them for something else later on. But I love how they turned out, and it was easy and affordable to do this for some more Easter decor. I'm going to use these glass candle holders from Dollar Tree. I got 4 of them, and I'm just going to actually take 2 of them and leave them alone, leave them the height they are, and then I'm going to take the other 2 and I'm going to flip one over on top of the other one. I just used a little hot glue to secure it, but you would definitely use some E6000 to give it a stronger hold. And then I went ahead and had these sea glass spray paint colors, and so I spray painted them in those 3 different colors. It dries very quickly. It didn't take long at all to spray paint those 3 small pieces. And then I took these plates from Dollar Tree. They're just plastic plates. They come in a pack. And I got the blue, the yellow, and the pink. I believe they also have purple as well. And then I just hot glued those to the top of the candle holders. Again, E6000 will give it a stronger hold. And that was it. I made some cute little dessert plates or cake stands or even candle holders for bigger candles. It's up to you how you want to use them. I just put some little Debbie's cakes on them. I think they are really cute for Easter and spring. And that is all for this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you made it to the end, leave me a flower emoji down in the comments below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.